Okay, I'm recording.
The timing is so ironic. So, got a little puzzle for you this morning.
I like puzzles.
There you go.
Yep.
There you go. Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
There you go. I'll give you a clue. It's on the passenger side of the bulldozer, and you were the last one to touch it.
Is it a camera mount? It's on the
I'll
passenger.
be back in 20 minutes.
Passenger side of the bulldozer.
Have fun with that.
Okay.
It makes a clickety click, squeakity squeak when you go.
Oh. 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 So this has got to be the worst scavenger hunt. There's no candy or money. There's only one clue. The clue was I broke something or I messed something up. Well, I found it. I already replaced these two. We just did these sprocket, socket, rock'em, sock'em things, whatever you want to call them. And on this one, I guess I missed this whenever I was going around doing my rounds, tightening them all up at the end. But you can see these are backing out. This one actually backed out enough that the undercarriage came off and broke it off. And it's broke off inside there. It's sticking out the back a little bit. I can kind of get to it maybe with a pair of vice grips. I don't know. I got those two tightened up and replaced. I'm gonna pull those out and replace them. The reason I'm replacing them, just because they were loose. So they got a little extra wear on them. It's kind of hard to tell, but they're just a tad bent. So we're gonna replace them with some new bolts that aren't messed up, just to be on the safe side. All right, so there it is. Captain Kleeman sunk his ship on this one, I guess. I got to crawl this forward so I can get those other two out and replaced. Okay, so I got those four in. I got that one broken off. I think I'm gonna try to get around the back side of it, see if I can get that off. I don't know. We may have to take it to the shop, but we're gonna try. I'll check in with you in a minute. Nope, it's a hard no. That is a hard no. I couldn't get it off. I tried everything, and by everything I mean like two things. I tried two things. I just don't have a lot of tools with me today, so we'll get it back to the shop where we got the tools to get it done. We'll get her fixed up. All right, so we got the D4G loaded on. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Dirt Perfect himself's gonna load the skid steer for me. Perfect. So we sliding that bucket on. And then he's got to go get that grader. You got to get that grader on here too. All right, Mike's up there getting chains. He got the skid steer on. I wish I could show you more. And some driving video. Here's how he's got that set right inside that bucket there. I wish I could show you more, but we are in a super duper hurry to get back to the shop and get this stuff offloaded and fixed. So we'll just have to catch you on the next one. Say bye, Mike. Bye. Okay, just kidding. We're back for a second. I did just want to show. We do have everything chained down on there. I knew there'd be some skeptics saying we didn't, so. All right, seriously, bye for real this time. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. We dropped the skid steer off at a driveway job, and we're just gonna put the dozer down here for now before we take it to the shop to fix that one bolt. Appreciate you guys tagging along. Big shout out to William Harris and Jason Works a Lot, a couple new subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. Glad you're tagging along on these adventures. If you guys like what you're watching and you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that button and ring that bell so you get notifications. We'll catch you on the next one.